Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. Just here with these beekeepers, catching some bees. I have two beehives here. Yeah, so just filming them. Another experience. So we have one hive in here. Box.
Huh? Oh, only one shot in my mother.
Just got the box there. Smoker. Let's see here.
Saya apa mau cek dong ya tuh, sudah. Ada di sana deh. Ya, boy Arab apa? Hello. What's something ah? Ah ini. Asmal, lekai naya deh teman, ini rasanya. Ya, ini rasanya. No, ini apa nih?
So, just located the bees hive.
Kota.
Yeah.
Bomina de home right now, man. They are up on
swarming.
Kota in that small thing already. Our little bit bee? Yes. Like this are like swarm for now up there. Could be. Check out that. So me have a cut this here.
Yeah, so
okay.
Just trying to get inside here.
You're right, man. Small hive. I don't realize that time and a half is on my floor. Small hive, man, I'm break off all things. Okay, for the clean.
Ooh! Wow.
Yeah, you're not good too long.
Oh
I'm not good too long.
Look at that. Wow. Wow.
I got plenty of bees. Gajelin, I go to rough. Start to put them in the box now.
Trying to find the queen right now.
So you got since you got young bees. Yes, that in the box. We don't want to eating on them. Bring up your box to me. I don't want the honey and drop in your box and up. I know. You put that one piece in the car now. We mount it. Yeah, down this way, man.
Yeah, just trying to give it over smoke. The beekeeper said he used banana leaves. I was asking him about the lemongrass oil, but he says, yeah, they usually use that. But it seems like the banana bushes he used to put in the smoker. He's got his bottle to collect the queen.
What I say, you leave piece more than man?
Rest the next piece for a while.
A while. Well, I want to put plenty of that.
No, that is good for me.
Right.
Plenty young bees. Eh?
Yeah.
So she did someone.
He did right around. I'll take out them.
Be sure look for her, they got a room.
But I will find them.
There's quite a lot of young bees. Still trying to find a queen. But we're determined to find it, get it. Wow, it's quite the experience for me, you know, quite the experience. Oh, what a lovely day, quite a lovely day. Honeycomb. More honeycomb. Bees are buzzing. Vincy buzz. This hive doesn't seem to be that bad.
It's smaller.
Oh, it's a small hive, okay.
But you got queen, eh? Since you see, you got eggs, you got queen.
Oh, eggs there. Okay, sir. Alright.
Right, I'm not going to tell her shit, no more thing there look. Yeah, but you dig it for walk all the time. Wow, holy grip and shake down in the back, sense. Call it up there?
So you want to originally?
Well, no, so far.
Right. That's what I will do.
I'm not going to put it back to you. You got very well bees, man.
They're so smart just to find this thing and just wow. Find a home right there in this suitcase. One just now landed on my finger.
Huh?
One just landed on my finger.